Do you want hundreds and thousands of views on your TikTok videos for free like this? Then you have clicked on the right video. Hi everyone. I am Afnan Pashtun and you are watching Pashtun Says YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to get hundreds and thousands of views on your TikTok videos without paying a single penny to anyone. First of all, open your TikTok account and copy the link of the video on which you want views. When the link is copied, then go to the description of this video and open the link given in the description in new tab. An interface will open like this. Click on Views, and on the next page, paste the link your video that you had copied and you will get views in 4 to 5 seconds. Repeat the same method to get more and more views. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.